Welcome to The Invisible Light, a guide to thermal electrical troubleshooting. This video will explore how thermal imaging reveals electrical faults that are invisible to the naked eye. The basic principle is P equals I squared R. When electricity meets resistance, heat is created. Thermal cameras capture this infrared heat and turn it into a visible map. System load is crucial. A low-load circuit may not reveal a fault. Inspectors must aim for a minimum of 40% load to expose problems, as higher current reveals larger temperature spikes. Safety is paramount. Live panels pose arc flash risks. Technicians must wear arc-rated suits, balaclavas, and insulated gloves, following NFPA 70E standards. Always maintain a 1-meter safe distance. Emissivity measures how well a material radiates heat. Materials with high emissivity, like electrical tape, show true heat. Shiny metals, with low emissivity, reflect heat like mirrors, creating dangerous false low readings. Background heat often bounces off components. To ensure accurate readings, users must set the camera to the room's ambient temperature. The camera's processor then subtracts the background noise. Avoid random scanning, which misses critical faults. Inspectors should use a spatial sequence map, starting at the top supply lines and moving downward and across the system. Focus on high stress points. Main connections carry the highest stress. Breakers endure line and load strain. Hot neutral bars may indicate harmonic distortion, and 3 phases require perfect thermal balance. Delta T measures the temperature difference between a fault and a normal component. Critical thresholds, such as a difference above 40 degrees Celsius, demand immediate shutdowns for safety. All 3 phases must exhibit identical thermal patterns. Imbalances signal overloads or resistance. A 15 degrees Celsius phase difference should trigger a critical alert. Resistance faults concentrate heat at connection points. This intense local resistance is often caused by loose screws, corrosion, or poor crimps at the terminals. Overload faults cause the entire wire to glow with uniform warmth. This indicates connections are solid and intact, but the circuit is forcing too much current through the wire. Abnormal cold spots on a working system indicate open circuits. For example, a blown fuse stops the electrical flow, resulting in 0 current and 0 heat. The thermal triage board combines the fault's signature or mechanical root cause with the delta T to dictate the repair timeline. This combination provides a complete triage assessment. Non-destructive thermal testing catches pre-fire conditions, allowing for early maintenance during downtime. Furthermore, regular thermal scans can secure valuable insurance incentives.